our students performed exceptionally well. In O2 and O3, the result remained 100% with number of A stars and AS. It is a matter of great honor that our cadet Azir Jan of O3 secured top in the world position in the subject of computer sciences. Ladies and gentlemen, performance of our cadets in co-curricular and sports activity remained highly satisfactory. Cadets of Cadet College Petaro participated in declamation contests held at different colleges and universities and won championship trophies. This year, book fair and science exhibitions were also held at Cadet College Petaro. Our cadets attended paragliding training at Army School of Physical Training, Abbottabad. This year, different groups of cadets visited China, Sri Lanka, Azerbaijan, and UK for summer camps, training camps, and study tours. This year, sports contingent of Cadet College Hasnabdal, Military College Jhelum, PF College Sargodha, and Scouts Cadet College Batrasi visited Cadet College Petaro for sports gala. Our teams also participated in different championships held by Hyderabad Board. Ladies and gentlemen, I feel honored to inform that this year, 34 students of Cadet College Petaro after class 12 have been selected in Defence Forces. Last year, similar number was admitted in the Defence Forces, and out of which 16 joined Pakistan Naval Academy. Out of those 16, 8 were given appointments in the Naval Academy and 1 got the Quaid-e-Azam Gold Medal in the academics. The other students of our students, they joined the universities, professional universities and colleges. It is a matter of great honor that our ex-cadet Abdul Salam secured first position in the entry test of Mehran University. Ladies and gentlemen, teaching of Chinese language has been made part of our curriculum. We have also extended these services to Mehran University for teaching of Chinese language. It is a matter of great honor that our students won outstanding awards in the International Chinese Bridge Competition. Teachers training has been on the top priority of VOG and college administration. This year, our 12th teacher attended 2 weeks training at Lewis School of English, United Kingdom. Ladies and gentlemen, we are thankful to the government of Sindh and Chief Minister of Sindh in particular for continued moral and financial support. Honorable Sir, with your generous support, we have established a new language lab worth ₹40 million, bought 2 new AC coaches and 1 truck, and added 100 million in our endowment funds. Furthermore, a new indoor sports complex that is visible on the left side of this ground has been constructed. 8 new houses for the supervisors, 8 new houses for the faculty, and 8 houses for the sanitary workers have also been built through government funds. Ladies and gentlemen, I bow my head to Almighty Allah for His continued blessing and support. I also appreciate the sincere efforts of our faculty and staff for their hard work and dedication. I am thankful to all supporters and well-wishers. I am thankful to various federal and provincial agencies for their support. I am thankful to the Patarian Association, local MPAs, DIG Hyderabad, Commissioner Hyderabad, HESCO, OGDC, Habib Bank, Pakistan Garrison, Petaro, media representatives, and all other authorities for their kind support. My special thanks to our ex-cadet, Mr. Salim Bajari. In the end, I am once again thankful to our Honorable Chief Guest, Chief Minister Sindh, Sayyid Murad Ali Shah, for joining us in today's event and making our show more colorful. Cadet College Petaro Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.
Ladies and gentlemen, now it is the turn of prize distribution ceremony. The parade commander cautions the prize winners to fall out.
In honor of the God!
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, the prize winners march out from their respective houses to assemble behind the guard. They are indeed the shining star of our college. We are extremely proud of them, for they have excelled in all the fields, such as academics, sports, and other co-curricular activities. It is indeed a day of immense happiness and excitement from them and their parents as well, to see their sons standing with distinctions. The glow of pleasure on their faces is vividly visible. They possess an enviable pride, making their parents' dream come true. They really deserve the honor of countless congratulations from them and their parents.
ख़वातीनो हज़रात, और अब इनाम याफ्तगान अपने इनामात हासिल करने के लिए मुकर्ररा जगह की जानिब रवा दवा हैं।
With this, I hand over the mic to Ms. Amna for the further proceedings of prize distribution ceremony.
Thank you, Cadet Osama. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Miss Amna Pawar with you for the announcement of prize distribution ceremony. Here are the awards and prizes for the year 2017 and 18. I request the worthy chief guest to give away the awards and prizes. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, merit certificates, which are given to those who excelled in academics. Cadet Mohammad Zishan, kit number 17003 of Ayub House. He is to receive merit certificate from the chief guest for securing first position in class 8. Cadet Zishan. Cadet Mohsin Hussain, kit number C17003 of Sachin House for securing first position in class 01. Cadet Shahriyar Ahmed, kit number 16033 of Iqbal House for securing first position in SSC Part 1, Federal Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, Islamabad. Cadet Abdul Rasool, kit number 16049 of Shahbaz House for securing first position in SSC Part 1, Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, Hyderabad. Cadet Rabeet Khan, kit number C16038 of Sachin House for securing first position in class 02. Cadet Zain Mustafa, kit number 15039 of Latif House for securing first position in SSC Part 2, Federal Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, Islamabad. Cadet Faraz Ahmed, kit number 15013 of Muhammad bin Qasim House for securing first position in SSC Part 2 Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, Hyderabad. Cadet Captain Sher Mohammed, kit number 14039 of Latif House for securing first position at HSC Part 1 Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, Hyderabad. Cadet Captain Kashif Ali, kit number 14007 of Shahbaz House for securing first position in HSC Part 1 Federal Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, Islamabad. Cadet Captain Mueed Hassan, kit number C14001 of Sachin House for securing first position in AS1 CIE examinations. And now, Badge of Honor. This year, the Badge of Honor for Hyderabad Board goes to Cadet Mahmood Imdad, kit number 15007 of Shahbaz House for his overall extraordinary performance up to SSC level. He is to receive Badge of Honor and Gold Medal. This year, the Badge of Honor for Federal Board goes to Cadet Abdullah, kit number 15045 of Ayub House for his overall extraordinary performance up to SSC level. He is to receive Badge of Honor and Gold Medal. This year, the Badge of Honor for Cambridge System goes to Cadet Hassan Zaman, kit number C15034 of Sachin House for his overall extraordinary performance up to O levels. Ladies and gentlemen, and now the awards for ex-cadets who showed excellent performance in various fields during their stay here in Cadet College, Petaro. First of all, ex-cadet Abdul Salam, kit number 13045 of Ayub House, receives Best Academic Award with Gold Medal. Ladies and gentlemen, now the highest award, Stick of Honor, goes to ex-cadet Captain Izhan, kit number 13067 of Latif House. He receives Stick of Honor with Gold Medal. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to announce that we have snatched distinction in the world. Cadet Azhar Jan of Sachal House got first position in the world in the field of computer science. He is to receive appreciation sheet and cash prize of ₹100,000. Mr. Ghulam Ali Lagari is also requested to accompany Cadet Azhar Jan. He is to receive appreciation certificate and cash prize of ₹20,000. Ladies and gentlemen, and now the awards for college employees for their outstanding performance in their respective fields. Best Employee Award, BPS 1 to BPS 4. This year, the Best Employee Award goes to Mr. Juman, Department of Building. He is to receive the merit certificate and cash prize of ₹15,000. Best Employee Award also goes to Mr. Muhammad Rahim. He is to receive the merit certificate and cash prize of ₹15,000. Best Employee Award, BPS 5 to BPS 10, goes to Mr. Muhammad Asghar, Department of Electricity. He is to receive the merit certificate and cash prize of rupees 15,000. Best Employee Award BPS 11 to 16 goes to Mr. Muhammad Yusuf Khan, Superintendent Communication Department, is to receive the merit certificate and cash prize of rupees 20,000. He is the hardworking and committed employee of the college. Best Military Instructor Award goes to Petty Officer Rashid Ahmed. He is performing his duties as PTI and he is the House PO of Iqbal House. He is to receive the merit certificate and cash prize of rupees 20,000. Appreciation Shields. And now the Appreciation Shield is awarded to Mr. Wahid Aziz, the college bursar. Another Appreciation Shield with merit certificate is awarded to Mr. Jin Yan. Best Officer Award. This year, the Best Officer Award goes to Assistant Professor Ahmad Ali Qazi. He is to receive shield and certificate from the chief guest. The Best Teacher Award. The Best Teacher Award goes to Hafiz Khalid Majid, Head, Department of Physics. Ladies and gentlemen, and now the Special Appreciation Award is awarded to Honorable Vice Principal and Director of Studies, Professor Sharafat Ali Rajput, for his untiring efforts to uplift the academics of college. He is requested to receive his award from Chief Guest. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the trophies for the overall best performance towards the Journal Championship. First, the runners-up trophy. The runners-up trophy goes to Liaquat House. The housemaster, Mr. Asif Makbool, accompany his cadet captain, SLCs, house POs to receive the trophy from the worthy chief guest.
हाजरीन, इस साल के रनर अप करार पाने वाले लियाकत हाउस के कैडेट्स अपने हाउस मास्टर जनाब आसिफ मकबूल और हवलदार यासिर के हमरा ट्रॉफी वसूल कर रहे हैं.
And finally, ladies and gentlemen, the biggest award of the year, Champions Trophy. And the champion house of this year is Jinnah House. The house master, Mr. Parvez Ahmed, is requested to accompany his cadet captain, SLC's house PO, to receive the trophy from the Honorable Chief Guest.
हजरात, इस साल के चैंपियन हाउस जिन्ना हाउस के कैडेट्स अपने हाउस मास्टर के हमरा मेहमान खास से चैंपियन ट्रॉफी वसूल कर रहे हैं. हमने क्या बिगाड़ दिया?
Ladies and gentlemen, this year Janayans are the champions. The Honorable Chief Guest presents the proficiency banner. Ladies and gentlemen, the champions. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of prize distribution ceremony. Now I hand over mic to Cadet Noori Ali for the further proceedings. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Amna. Ladies and gentlemen, you can now see the Proficiency Banner Party turns round and now moves to his respective position. Now, Cadet Noor holds the Proficiency Banner and he is the party commander. Behind him is Cadet Ehtisham. With them are the 4 Rifle Squad cadets. They are Cadet Daniel, Cadet Zain, Cadet Shazib and Cadet Umer. Ladies and gentlemen, and now we request our worthy principal, Commodore Mehboob Ilahi Malik, Sitar Imtiaz Military, to present souvenirs and traditional gifts of Topi and Ajrak to the chief guest. Ladies and gentlemen, now the chief guest, Sayyid Murad Ali Shah, Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Sindh, addresses the audience.
ख़वातीनो हज़रात, अब मेहमान खुसूसी वज़ीर आला सिंध सैयद मुराद अली शाह हाज़रीन से खिताब फरमाएंगे.
Ladies and gentlemen, the worthy chief guest.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rear Admiral Asif Khalik, Commander Karachi and Chairman Board of Governors, Cadet College Pitaro. Commodore Mehboob Ilahi Malik, Principal, Cadet College Pitaro. Malik Asad Sikandar Khan, Member Provincial Assembly of Sindh. Dr. Fateh Burfat, Vice Chancellor, Sindh University. My old friend and ex-Pitarian, Shahid Mahmood. And then Shahid, I must tell you that I'm a little nervous speaking here right now because I've heard your debates and I don't think I can even come up to 5% of what you used to do in your... I'm sure you still must be a very good speaker. Cadets on parade, parents of cadets, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. As always, it's a matter of immense pleasure and honor for me to be here on this auspicious occasion of the 57th Parents' Day of Cadet College Pitaro. The smartly dressed cadets, beautiful playing fields, a pavilion full of guests and graceful building gives an impressive look. I'm thankful to the Chairman Board of Governors, Rear Admiral Asif Khalik, Principal, staff and cadets of Cadet College Pitaro for inviting me on this wonderful occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, Cadet College Pitaro is a great educational institution of Pakistan which has rendered excellent services in the field of education. Over the last 60 years, the college has maintained a high standard of discipline and quality education. The progress reported by Principal Cadet College Pitaro in his speech reflects appreciable performance of the college during the last academic year. Commendable achievements in academics as well as in co-curricular activities are a testimonial of the hard work of faculty at Cadet College Pitaro. Such a good result can only be achieved through selfless devotion and extreme sincerity of the faculty and cadets of the college. Ladies and gentlemen, importance of good quality education needs no emphasis. Along with good education, character building and personality grooming are equally important. For the successful progression of our country, we need academically sound and morally upright young people. Educational institutions play a major role in the development of any country. Unfortunately, in our country and also in our province of Sindh, we have serious shortage of good quality educational institutions. We need more institutions like Cadet College, Pitaro. In this regard, we already focus to provide good quality and cheap education to people of Sindh. The government is spending considerable funds to promote quality education and overcome the shortcomings of existing educational systems in Sindh. My dear cadets, you are the future of Pakistan. It is your duty to devote your full energies towards your education and try to become useful citizens of Pakistan. You are lucky to be part of an institution which provides you every facility and opportunity to groom yourself as a successful person. Remember, your country needs you. In whatever capacity you may grow up, but remember your single line mission should be to serve your country. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to congratulate the prize winners. My heartiest congratulations to ex-cadet Captain Izhan, kit number 13067 of Latif House, for winning the Stick of Honor. Cadet Abdul Salam, kit number 13045 of Ayub House, for winning the Best in Academic Award. Cadet Mehboob Imad, 15007 of Shahbaz House. Cadet Abdullah, 15045 of Ayub House. Cadet Haseen Zaman, kit number C15034 of Sachal House, for winning Badge of Honor. I congratulate Cadet Azan Jan, kit number C15003 of Sachal House, who secured distinction top in the world in computer science in GCE O-Levels 2018. I also congratulate Mr. Ahmed Ali Qazi for Best Staff Officer Award and Hafiz Khalid Majid for Best Teacher Award. My heartiest felicitations to all the other prize winners. Ladies and gentlemen, I would once again like to extend my sincere appreciation to the principal and his staff for performing their duties religiously and effectively. I assure you that you will continue receiving all possible support and cooperation from the government of Sindh for this noble cause. Before coming over, I had a few words with the principal and I asked him what are the immediate requirements. And we'd had an earlier meeting also with former President Asif Ali Zardari, where we had discussed what is the requirement of the Cadet College. So I'm happy here to announce that the grant and aid of Cadet College Pitaro from the government of Sindh, which is currently 50 million rupees, we will immediately from this year increase it to 75 million, and from next financial year I'll give directions to increase it to 100 million rupees. 1 month bonus of salary for the staff is also announced, which the government of Sindh would pay. The other thing that we talked about was the IT, the information technology facilities here at the college. Though we've spent some money on it, in order to upgrade it, I announced a further grant of rupees 25 million in this financial year to upgrade the information technology facilities, and all the cadets here, all the students should have world-class IT facilities so that they can go ahead and compete in the world. And especially I am also inspired by Cadet Azhar Jan, who topped in the world in the O-Levels computer science, and I wish and I hope that with these increased facilities, all the cadets here would follow in his footsteps. I once again thank Commander Karachi, Principal and his staff for bestowing me this honor of being the chief guest here on this delightful occasion and affording me an opportunity